This is the view of our beach here in Samal. Say hello to Nanay. And I recognize it. I and my brother.
Sorry ko ba?
No, it's a video. I put it in my YouTube channel. There's my brother, Meinhard. He is with his classmates. There are my fellow sisters over there. Oh, sige. We're going inside. We go downstairs and have fun. You will see. I always put that in my basta, kaya mas mainit natin naman sa labas. Ayun, yung white sand, oh. Tired of kids. Kingdom kids.
Yes, hello. We're here now in Samal Resort.
Wailigo, aduha. Wailigo. Muna oy, Wailigo. Kalintura kani Wailigo.
Kuya Enteng's tent. So, video ba yan o ano? Video?
Let's play Scrabble.
Maano nga lang, mapagawas na.
Don't worry.
Uy,
Dapat mapagawas na. Klaro lang. Wailigo. Wailigo.
I am about to swim. And to swim again.
Dali ni para natin kalingaw. Panghawa na mo yung mga ligo, be. Panghawa na mo yung mga ligo.
Mula kay na para siya sa nga na buang duwa na.
It's the whole view. Mamayo, no. There's our beach resort here in Samal, Davao City. It's really fun. It's a video! Hindi to picture. Sige, bye-bye lang. Have a big place here in Samal. It is owned by Pastor Paulo C. Kibole, the founding president. Still happen there. Ayoko na maligo. Kasi tapos na rin naman ako. Actually, kakain na sana ako. Pero dami pa nakatila. Siguro later na lang. And I'm so tired because kanina umaga it's 6 o'clock in the morning. Naligo kami doon gabi. Ang lamig-lamig. So cold. Sana hindi sana sasama, kaya lang syempre we're in unity, kahit wala dito yung mga BS, yung mga kasama ko, mga classmates ko, co-workers ko, nandun pa sila sa Manila before sa Thanksgiving worship presentation. Hindi ko muna kami for, Thanksgiving privilege para sa mga opportunity, and go and happy mic at ilalabas ko to sa YouTube ko. Para rin dito sa mga, this is only for all my friends out there, especially for my brother-in-law Kevin Ronstead and my friend Roger Wogan from Minnesota. Is that the right word? I might hope so. And Pastor over here, he's taking a break from the long busy life, working, harvesting soul, calling all the souls. Nagbe-break siya dito siya na some kind of relaxing. Actually, nandito din yung mga estudyante ng GMC at marami pa. See you later, Kaimra.